Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I achieved the super shiny and moisturized mini twist, which is an awesome protective style, and my hair was super moisturized. If you want to see how I achieved it, just keep watching my video. I'm going to show you exactly how I got it. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm starting with. I did the back half of my hair off camera. And as you see, they already look good. I'm getting started on the front now. I will be using this hibiscus hair tea by Dominican Curly. This is it in its bottle. I will also be using the ORS olive oil moisturizing hair lotion and the smooth and hold pudding, along with my oil to seal in my moisture. So to get started, I'm going to be using the hibiscus hair tea. I'm using that as my first step instead of water. This could be used as like a leave-in treatment before you style. You can use it when you condition. I think I have other videos on my channel talking about Dominican curly hair tea, so I will link those down below. But as you can see, I am saturating my hair with it, and then now I'm going to go in with my Evolve brush and detangle. So right here, I'm showing you that the bottle here broke, so I'm just transferring it over to a different spray bottle. And this spray bottle has like a way better like spray or nozzle or whatever. So yeah. But now you see me going in with the hair lotion, and I am applying quite a bit of that to this little section right here. As you can tell, this section is kind of parted in a diagonal, and that's just to avoid any harsh lines, and you will kind of see that throughout this video of me doing my hair. But yes, going in with that, and then I'm going to go in with my oil and seal that in while working it in. So right here, you kind of see me roughly parting off a little section, roughly, as in I'm not using a comb, I'm just using my finger, and I'm combing it out a little bit, and I'm going in with that smooth and whole pudding just a little bit. This is what's going to like give my hair hold to stay in the twist. But I just applied that, and now I'm twisting my hair rather tightly, and you're just going to see me do that throughout my whole head pretty much. So what I just showed you for my first twist is what I do throughout my whole head. So I'll part out another section of hair, apply the pudding, and then just twist tightly. Once I get to the very end of the twist, I'll apply a little bit more of that smooth and whole pudding and twirl it, and then that's how the twist looks when it's done. And like I've been saying, I do that all over my head. If you can notice, my pores aren't like big at all, but they aren't super small. I do have finer hair. I think that's what it is. It could be thinner. I mean, it is thinner, but I think the word I'm trying to use to describe what I'm saying is finer. So my twists weren't pretty big. Like, I don't have super dense hair. So yeah, I didn't have really thick twists. But if your hair is thicker than mine, you can go for a range of different twists. Like, I don't think thicker twist would look good on my head, but if you had thicker hair, a thicker twist would look really cute. I've seen girls do thicker twists versus the little small ones I'm doing, but this lasted a while for me, these small twists. So you know, you gotta do what works for you. But as you can see, I'm still doing the same thing all over my head. That's how this section is looking, and now you see me starting on another section. So I'm spritzing it with my Dominican curly hibiscus hair tea. I'll brush it out, and then I will apply the ORS olive oil hair lotion right here, and then the oil, and then I'll start sectioning off, which you will see in just a sec. Something you may notice once I start showing it again, the closer I get to the top of my head, the drier my hair is. So I use more product. So you'll see me applying more of the smoothing hole pudding. But look right here, y'all. Do you see how I just roughly parted that? As you can tell, I was not going for like super precise parts at all. I wanted it to look messy ish. I wanted it to look, what's the word, I wanted it to look effortless. I didn't want it to be super clean and precise. I wanted it to look effortless. And I wanted my twists to fall effortlessly. I didn't want big gaping holes where parts were. I wanted it to look very effortless. And this is how this side looks. I'm going to do this last section off camera, and in just a second you'll see me doing the other half. And while I'm doing this half, I'm going to be quiet because y'all know what I'm doing now. Hibiscus hair tea, lotion, pudding, or you know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all watch. And I don't have any promos for this hair tea, but as you can see, it is reacting in my hair very well. My hair looks very healthy. Now I did want to cut in once again and just show y'all how I'm parting my hair. I just want y'all to see. I don't know, it's just very effortless look. But yeah, I'm parting, lightly combing out the section, applying the pudding, and then you're just going to see me twist this section up. But as you see, that's like the gist of my parts. I know I was just talking about that, but I wanted y'all to have an up close look. Now I'm back to being quiet. I'm done with that section. I am now on my final small section, getting through it. And now I am done with that very last twist, and this is how my hair is looking. As you can tell, it has a very, very beautiful shine. Like I said, I did small twists, and this style lasted me a while. It lasted me like 3 weeks and a week and a half before I refreshed. So here is my twist in different lighting. And I never came back to do a proper outro. So all you're going to get from this point out is clips. So I'm sorry about that. But yes, this is my hair in different lighting. And then this is a full spin around of day 1. And this is the only clip I have of my hair in the very, very beginning. And as you can tell, it doesn't look super full, but I can promise you it like literally poofed out and filled out as the days went on. So this is day 1. This clip is day 11, and it's actually refreshed hair. So I went through and refreshed each twist, and I did a trim, so it's less brown tips now than it was before. But even right here in that clip, you could tell that the twists were a little poofy compared to the very first day. And then this next clip right here is day 12, the day after my refresh. My hair lasted about a week after this maybe, but these twists are so pretty and like poofy. My hair don't look too thin or anything. I really like this day. I like my hair in general. But that is it for this video. So if you all enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.